Nearly 97% of car owners don't even know these car hacks actually work, and one of these could literally save you thousands in repair costs. Chances are, you've overlooked these tricks your entire life. Mechanics see you walk into their shop every single day and silently thank you for not knowing what you're about to learn right now. Because the moment you learn these 7 tricks, you stop being their easiest paycheck and start keeping thousands of dollars in your own pocket. Stick around until number 1, because that final hack exposes a money pit that has drained thousands from drivers just like you, and the fix takes less than 5 minutes. Hack number 7. Stop buying the $18 fuel additive bottle and start protecting your engine for free. You've been told that little bottle cleans your injectors and rescues your fuel economy in one pour. Here's the betrayal nobody mentions. Consumer Reports has tested dozens of these additives, and the vast majority showed zero measurable improvement in fuel economy or horsepower. But here's the real hack. Fill up exclusively at top-tier certified gas stations like Costco, Chevron, or Shell. Since those brands are legally required to pump higher concentrations of detergent than the minimum EPA standard, cleaning your injectors passively every single time you fill your tank. This costs you nothing extra since you're already buying gas anyway. Worse, cheap knockoff additives have been linked to fouled oxygen sensors on Ford and GM models built between 2015 and 2019, triggering check engine lights and repair bills that stretch past $400. That $18 bottle is a gamble dressed up as maintenance, and top-tier gas is the free upgrade nobody told you about. Hack number 6. Stop paying $12 to $20 for dedicated wheel cleaner and use something already sitting by your kitchen sink instead. Detailers treat rim restoration like a premium add-on because they know most drivers assume brake dust needs a special formula to break down. Here's what they never say. Regular dish soap is engineered to cut through grease and baked on grime just as aggressively as bottled wheel cleaners, costing 5 times more. Mix a few squirts into a bucket of warm water, scrub your wheels with an old brush, and rinse clean. And the degreasing agents strip brake dust and road film in one pass. That brake dust also contains mildly corrosive particles that eat into your finish over time. That $20 bottle is money wasted on something your sink already handles for free. Hack number 5. Stop paying $10 to $15 for anti-fog spray that barely lasts a week and reach for shaving cream instead. Your side mirrors fog up in the rain and cold, creating exactly the blind spot that causes lane change. Accidents drivers never see coming. Here's what they never say. Regular foam shaving cream leaves behind an invisible protective film that causes water to sheet off glass instead of beading and clinging. Spray it across your mirror. Let it sit 3 minutes, then buff it away, and the effect lasts weeks longer than any spray bottle. Foggy mirrors cause more near-miss lane change accidents than almost any other visibility issue. A $3 can of shaving cream is doing a safety job a $15 spray bottle cannot match. Hack number 4. Stop paying a body shop $150 or more for a bumper dent and use your kettle instead. A parking lot nudge leaves a crease in your plastic bumper, and most drivers assume that damage is permanent without professional repair. Here's what they never say. Plastic bumpers hold memory, and heat is the key to letting the material return to its original molded shape. Pour boiling water directly over the dented area, reach behind the bumper while it's still hot, and push the dent outward as the plastic cools and rehardens in place. The longer that dent sits, the deeper the plastic stress sets in, making it harder to reverse. A kettle of water solves a problem shops charge hundreds to fix. Hack number 3. Stop paying for rim restoration and reach for a bottle of ketchup instead. Rust spots and brake dust staining make your wheels look permanently dirty no matter how hard you scrub, and detailers price restoration as a specialty service precisely because most drivers assume there's no home fix. Here's what they never say. The acetic acid in ordinary ketchup chemically reacts with rust and metal tarnish, breaking down oxidation at a molecular level. Squeeze it directly onto the stained areas, let it sit 15 to 20 minutes, then wipe and rinse clean. Untreated rust spreads under the finish over time and can compromise the wheel's structural integrity. A $2 bottle of ketchup undoes damage that professional restoration charges a premium to reverse. Hack number 2. Stop paying a detailer extra for pet hair removal and grab a pair of rubber gloves instead. Embedded pet hair sits so deep in your seats and carpet that your vacuum glides right over it. And detailers charge more for this exact job because it's genuinely difficult to do properly. Here's what they never say. A damp pair of ordinary rubber cleaning gloves creates static friction that grabs individual hairs and balls them into clumps you peel off by hand in minutes. Left embedded, that trapped hair holds moisture and odor deep in the fabric, breeding bacteria and creating a smell no air freshener fully covers. A $2 pair of gloves outperforms a professional service charging you extra for the exact same results. And now for hack number 1, the ticking time bomb sitting inside your brake reservoir that mechanics charge you full labor to flush. Your pedal feels slightly soft or spongy, and dealerships quote you well over $100 to bleed and replace the fluid. Here's the financial disaster buried underneath that quote. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time, and as water content builds, the boiling point drops until overheated fluid boils inside the lines under hard braking, creating vapor bubbles that compress instead of transmitting pressure. That spongy pedal you're feeling is the earliest warning sign. For about $10 in fresh fluid, you can flush the system yourself using a turkey baster to remove the old dark fluid, refilling with fresh fluid, matching your reservoir cap spec, then bleeding each caliper starting farthest from the master cylinder until clear fluid runs through with zero air bubbles. Neglected brake fluid is one of the leading causes of brake fade during emergency stops, the exact moment your brakes need to perform perfectly. And this $10 fix is the difference between stopping in time and not stopping at all. You just walked away with 7 ways to keep thousands of dollars out of the wrong hands, and every single one costs you nothing but a few minutes. Your car deserves better than blind trust, and so does your bank account. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never walk into another shop unprepared again, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from tonight. Click the next video because the tricks waiting in there could save you even more.